Let's do it again. Let's play another video for you guys. Hey guys, I know it's been a long time since I've done a video. What is in your mouth? Spit it out! Especially a video on the green truck. It's really disgusting and you sound stupid, I think is what I called it. The OBS GMC. And ta-da! Really don't know what I'm talking about. Okay, it don't look like much, not looks like a lot has happened. I actually don't even remember what it looked like on my last video. I don't think even had a cab or tires on it, honestly. But yeah, so we got a cab on. We also got a dash installed. For all you people saying, the 98 cab different than from a 94. Hey, guess what? We shoved a 94 dash into a 98 cab. And yes, it's cracked, but we're gonna have to fix it. We got some ideas coming and get new speakers and such for it. The inside is just painted. The floor is painted. Since I just failed to explaining why we painted the inside brown, is there was a little surface rust on the inside, so we just sanded it up, painted it brown, and the carpet's gonna cover it anyway. And the door jambs and all that stuff's gonna be painted. So waiting for some parts. But the big thing is we got brand new cab bushings in. So with the blocks in the back and the cab bushings, the truck is actually sitting decent now. Really don't know what I'm talking about. I thought it would sit higher, to be honest, but what are you gonna do? I don't know why I keep doing this. Really don't know what I'm talking about. And well, we also got stuff to get it going again so we can drive.
Really don't know what I'm talking about.
Drive at least in and out of the shop. As you can tell, there's no core support. Hey buddy, what's this big metal thing here? What's this big metal thing here? It's a core support! There is no radiator. There's no radiator hoses. Well, obviously you're putting new radiator hoses on it. You got one in your flipping hand. And there's radiator hoses on the motor. What do you mean there's no radiator hoses on it? It's getting all new hoses. They're also getting fuel lines put in. And I believe brake lines are next. So I just wanted to show you the cab mount. Really don't know what I'm talking about. They are polyurethane cab mounts. And we had to custom cut these plates, and get all new hardware for the cab to sit on. So whee, it's going in circles. We also got new mounts for the core support. I know it looks like it moves around a lot, but nothing's bolted to it, so once we get fenders and stuff bolted to it, it'll be stronger. A lot of the stuff we've been putting on has been off camera just because it's my brother's truck, and when he works on it sometimes I'm not home, and it's kind of hard to film and work at the same time. So we'll try to get maybe some time lapse for you and some other footage when we do the exhaust and brake lines and fuel lines. Maybe we'll do a video of it up and running, so stay tuned for that. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like, comment, share. It really helps us out. And then go to Instagram at Wiener Fabrication or Wiener Fab Brothers, and TikTok at Wiener Fabrication or at Wiener Fab Brothers. Every little bit helps. We really like your support. We're just under 150 subscribers on YouTube, so we really appreciate that. And thanks for all the new followers on TikTok. And if you guys do respond, if you guys do comment, have questions, I will respond. I'm small enough where I can do that and give some info and some insight. So thanks for watching. Please come back for more episodes, and see you guys later.